Welcome to our English listening channel. Hello everyone. Today you will follow a simple conversation between two adults whose rental car breaks down during their trip. What would you do if your rental car stopped working? Do not worry, Sarah and Charlie will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy their story as they solve this common travel problem.
The car is not starting, Sarah.
Really? Try again, please.
I tried 3 times. Nothing happens.
Oh no. We need to drive to the city today.
Yes, I know. This is not good.
Maybe the battery is dead?
Could be. Let me check the lights.
Good idea. Try the radio too.
The radio works fine, so the battery is okay.
Then what is wrong with it?
Let me open the hood and look inside.
Do you know about car engines?
A little bit. My father taught me some things.
What do you see?
Everything looks normal to me. No smoke or strange smells.
Are all the wires connected?
Yes, they look fine. I think we need professional help.
You are right. We should call the rental company.
Good idea. Do you have their phone number?
Yes, it is on the rental agreement in my bag. Hello, this is Sarah Miller. I rented a car from you yesterday.
Tell them the car number is on the keychain.
The car will not start this morning. We are at the Grand Hotel parking lot.
Ask them how long we need to wait.
How long will it take for someone to come help us?
What did they say?
They will send a mechanic in 30 minutes.
30 minutes? That is not too bad.
Yes, and if he cannot fix it, they will bring us another car.
Perfect. Thank you for calling them. Well, we have some time to wait. What should we do?
Let me look at our travel plan for today.
Good idea. Maybe we can change our schedule.
We wanted to visit the museum at 11 o'clock.
What time is it now?
It is 9:30. We still have time.
Yes, if the mechanic fixes the car quickly.
And if not, we will take the new car they promised.
Either way, we will get to the museum today.
I am not worried. These things happen when you travel.
Look, Sarah, the mechanic is here.
Great! He came exactly on time.
Good morning. Are you from the rental car company?
We called about our car that will not start.
How long will it take to check the problem?
We hope it is something simple to fix.
The engine makes no sound when we turn the key.
But the radio and lights work fine.
What do you think is wrong with it?
Can you fix it here, or do we need a different car? So you cannot fix our car today?
That is okay. We understand these things happen.
The replacement car looks very nice.
Is it the same type of car we rented?
What about our luggage in the other car?
We need to move our bags to the new car.
Will this cost us extra money?
Good question. I hope not, since their car broke down.
Thank you for bringing us a replacement so quickly.
Yes, your service is very good. We appreciate your help.
We need to fill out new paperwork for the replacement car.
Do we need to pay anything extra for this?
The mechanic said the problem was with the starter motor.
That is definitely not our fault.
How long can we keep the new car?
We rented the original car for 5 days.
So we have 3 more days with this replacement?
That sounds right. We started our rental 2 days ago.
Perfect. We can continue our vacation as planned.
Thank you for handling this problem so well. Here are our new keys and the updated rental agreement.
Everything looks correct on the paperwork.
Good. And they did not charge us extra money.
That is fair since their car had the problem.
The new car is actually newer than our first one.
Yes, I noticed that too. It has more modern features.
Should we test drive it before we leave?
Good idea. We want to make sure everything works properly.
Let me adjust the seat and mirrors first.
And I will check where the air conditioning controls are.
The engine starts perfectly. No problems at all.
Great! And I found the air conditioning. It works very well.
The seat position feels comfortable for me.
How about the mirrors? Can you see clearly?
Yes, the mirrors are perfect now. What about the radio?
The radio works fine. It even has GPS navigation.
That is better than our first car. This will help us find places.
Should we put our luggage in the trunk now?
Yes, let me open the trunk and check the space.
Then we can finally start driving to the museum. Now we can look at our route to the city museum.
Let me see the map. Where exactly is the museum?
Here it is, on 5th Street, near the Central Park.
That looks easy to find. How long will it take to drive there?
About 20 minutes from here, I think.
Perfect. We can still arrive before 11 o'clock.
What should we do after the museum?
We could have lunch at that restaurant you wanted to try.
Yes, the Italian place near the shopping district.
This car problem did not ruin our day after all. This car drives very smoothly. I like it.
Yes, it is much quieter than our first rental car.
And the GPS is showing us the fastest route to the museum.
Look, we will arrive in 15 minutes. That is perfect timing.
I am glad we solved the car problem so quickly.
The rental company staff was very helpful and professional.
Now we can enjoy the rest of our vacation without worrying.
This experience taught us to always have the rental company phone number ready.
True. And to stay calm when problems happen during travel.
Everything worked out fine in the end. Here we are at the museum, right on time.
Perfect. We made it even after the car trouble this morning.
The new car was actually better for our trip.
I agree. Sometimes problems lead to better solutions.
The museum looks very interesting from the outside.
Yes, I am excited to see the art collection inside.
Should we buy our tickets at the front desk?
Good idea. And let me check what time they close today.
We have plenty of time to explore everything we want to see.
This turned out to be a great day, even with the car problem.
I hope this video helped you improve your English listening skills. What would you do if your rental car broke down during a trip? Please share your answer in the comments. Learning how to handle everyday problems like Sarah and Charlie did can help you feel more confident when traveling. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you for learning with us. See you next time. Goodbye.